Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the remaining two filters, that is database filtering and wildcard filtering. So let's open the Excel worksheet. Here is the worksheet where we have already done the text-based filtering and number-based filtering in the last two chapters. And today we are going to focus on database filtering and wildcard filtering. First, let's do the database filter button. So the shortcut to bring back the filtering is Control Shift L. Then it will give you the drop down button at the top of the column from where you can do the filtering. Just click here and then we will have all these options. Sigi filtering tauba aikogi text based the filtering tauba da aikoina ugriduga number based gi the filtering tauba da ugrisiga date based the filtering tauba da urisiga khenaba khara lai kari khenai hida 2020 haina group ama. So suppose like this. So Excel si smart or Excel the yauriba data si masa matan da karamba sahi gi kari thagi karambano se masana detect tawraga grouping same 2020 gi data ngatan is the yaur si 2021 gi yaude if in case if there is any data like 0904 2021 suppose. Let's see like this and then let's go. Let's see 2021 group same is mukka to pamaga hapsika 0904 2022 later. Let's see again. See 2022 2021 2020 cause so when I guess yaw si the yaw data as sigi chahi chi matuna group same mana group same matamda aine plus la riba icon sa si the click to bakanda 2022 gi kari tha yawri ne tha gi group aming same tha si dam click to bakanda particular date to yawrokani so maina 2021 gi so April tha gi data am yawri April tha da karam numit ki yawri ge se am click to bakanda 9 April gi yawri am de koina si da ha krisi only two data hatani 9 April is 9 April. If I have another data 0901 2022 this January is your record. January is your January 2022 gi is the thani your January April sagi data yaw January kari thano kari karamba date no 9 di yaw so maina agi data si di yawriba sigi matungina grouping se makane matunda. So let's do the sorting. If in this case if I want to see the data of 2021 gi data khak yenge haragadi aina loinamak date mayam singdu unselect of remote only 2020 2022 do the select of ni aduga namakanda only 2021 gi data duka ingon the filter to pirakane. Similarly if we do for 2022 it will give for the result of 2022 and similarly if we do for 2020 then it will give all the data of 2020 or 2020 da muka sidai thame yauri ko thame yauri sidai na April tha si yaur yenge April tha khaki yenge haragadi April si click to bio then it will give all the results all the tests done in the month of April 2020. It's very simple. And then let's see for March like that. Okay, if we want to see for all then we have to click it. If we want to see only for particular month like January then we have to click for January. So there is only one test done in the month of January 2020. That's why it's giving only one result. Okay, so let's focus on the other criteria based filtering. Okay, here we have that filter and then in criteria base we have lots of options like in equal haragadi particular date ama aina piri pami ba date to aduda thokpa event sing aduda thokpa data sing do adu aingo the filter do pi sida aina so main number yai date or natragana calendar icon sida namaga aina pamiba sahido select tobi 2024 data asidi 2020 gini aduna I 2020 da chatse okay 2020 ki October da yawri ko 1st October let's say so there is no data on 1st October equals 0403 2020 okay 0403 2020 then we have all this data of that particular date. Let's clear it. Let's go again. Then before haragadi I nangoduri badeto adugi mamangdo. So it's a very easy English you can understand. And after you provide a date and it will show you like 0403 2020 2020 March ki tangmari gi matungda thokpa tawat testing da utlanem sina. See 555 so 4 before 4 is already hidden. And then let's do another one between. Let's do the between sidang 0503 2024 20 dekina 0603 2024 manungda leibising. So it has three information. 5 tegina 6 for manungda level. So 5 is also included, 6 is also included. So this is how we can do filtering in database data. And then let's clear it. Again, there is another option here. Next week, tomorrow, today, yesterday. Sigi data tomorrow has a forecast over data. Natragadi yaroi. Sida laibe data sida tomorrow gi data have yaroi to, and it works in the real data, real date. Sida yoriba data 2020 gi data sa sida nate mana hariba tomorrow. Ngasi gi hajik ohriba sahi. Ngasi si date kya no 15 March 2024. Sigi date sigi neba tomorrow haragadi 16 March 2024. Yesterday haragadi 13 March 2024. Adagi ngasi haragadi 14 March 2024. So maina ngasi gi date real date to adu oiba data adu neba sigi garisina filter to do today tomorrow today yesterday simply similarly next week guys so next week from today current date data the yauri posina te aduna karam kanda si work to gani only when you have a data of the present period. Sidi aikoina hojik sinariba excel sheet sidi example ni ngasi gi nate chahi ohum mari gi mangi data ni hojik sinariba data da aikoina sigi posing si apply to ga to yagani. And similarly for next month, this month, last month, and next quarter, this quarter, last quarter, next year, this year, last year. Year to date sisu present date na tragadi yaro present ngasi gi desi kano 15/3/2024. Year to date habati first day of the year to today. The first day of the year to today. The first day of the year the 1st January 2024 having. Ngasina kano 15 March 2024. So it will show all the records from first day of January 1st January 2024 to 15th March 2024. But in our data we don't have any such data. But let's see, let's put one data here 01/01 2024 02/02 2024 03/03 2024 05/03 2024 15 March 2024. Let's see if it works or not. So it is showing that from 1st of 2024 January 2024 to 15th of March 2024 all the data will be shown. So this is how it works from year to that. Next is all dates in the period. Let's clear this one. All dates in the period. All dates in the period means for the first quarter, for January, it will show all the data of the January. And if we select here, if we select March, then it will show all the data of the March irrespective of the year. 2020 oigera, 21 oigera, 19 oigera, 18 oigera, March thada hek thopa event khudingmak loinamak short of whenever. So they is showing you. See, all are March. There is no April, no May, no January. Okay. And then similarly, November, December, so first quarter. First quarter is January, February, March. Financial calendar native. January these calendars say quarter mahagadi first to March, then April to June, like that. So first quarter so this is how that filtering works in Excel. And the next one is we are going to do wildcard filtering. So let's clear this one. Okay. Now sigi data sida text based ki data sida lairi sida Kerala, Delhi, tonga best state ma'am like data entry tobu tamda I soy with the khanghu Kerala ibisi mutta ina kari ihra kamaini sweda sidi yasiko Kerala ibigi mutta ina K E gido mutta E da vida ina kari ni ihra R ni K R A L A E wal horeba natragana K E gi mutta K A E Kerala ina sumani ihra ado ai si kari ni ihno so isu ai su khangdre ibidi am soidne lan rep sim de khange but karambo word lan ke no ai khangdre aina kai gumba sida sorting to buma tamda equals to Kerala haiba matamda asai aina lan namkhiba word to thola roi idlo Kerala atane tholis. So in this case we can use the wildcard to sort all those things. So here check it here use sign of interrogation to represent any single character. Character ama never in language. Igi jagata ina a ne be igres. Sidi hoji khang bagi nebo. But if in case aina khang da ka thuki taraga dei kai do tai ida aina khang drigo word to adugi mouth sin boina interrogation mark se hakone ba do erga di sagi aina miss to kriba aina misspell or type to kriba word to adu su yaun lagane. Let's see here. So where is that Kerala? Here it is, Kerala. K-A-R-A-L-A. Malere. See word say adagi atopa mana sign of exclamation echogi interrogation sign says sina represent akadagodor se represent the godor is only one character name. Character ani lan kra adu orgadi one yaro. Character ani orgadi interrogation mark ani hakani ohum orgadi ohum hakani mari orgadi mari hakani. Ko adu sida hojik change do orgi yeng se color am sang yore no aina bi yeng. Kerala arsis waina soigre katala ni igre. So let's check it and clear it and then equals here K. So it is showing all the words E ga R ga se represent the K A T A hai sida A ga T ga se aran mane A ga T ga aran ba se interrogation mark ani dun sin mane. So when we are sure that we have made a mistake in one character or two character or three character or whatever character, if I have a certain knowledge about the number of character, then I can use safely the sign of interrogation to represent that character. But let's recorrect it. Kerala. Okay. Now clear it and then custom filter. But asterisk in series of words. Series of words in a represent suppose Siddha Haryana ANA yauriko. So maina aina aho basai khangdre AND hero aho basai khangdre marakta AND yauba word sing say pa me haragadi See, Jammu and Kashmir. AND sida yawe. Uttarakhand KHAND yawe. Then asterisk marks in a piri in a kaino, aina piri but text to gi mamang the or mamang the asterisk hapagan mamang the whatever length. Wahi anigilite or hungilite ko. Dagi maning the hapagan maning ida AND ki matung the whatever length of character is having adusi yawn loin of filter to have never. Pradesh. Among the any word your way ko the Uttar Pradesh lie Andhra Pradesh lies. AND star. So Jammu Kashmir, Chandigarh, AND yauri Andhra Pradesh yauri sumaina. Loinamak sumaina khadawe. The now wildcard ta ikone kari ani sinabe character ani sinabe amana kari interrogation mark amana asterisk mark. Interrogation mark na single character represent tonubagi eduga asterisk mark na multiple number of characters series of sentence or be a range of numbers or be adugi length ki define tawde meaning bo be in a piriba character do adugi maning natraga mamangda in a hapaga sumena filter to be. So that's it for this lecture. I will see you in the next one.